Hey everybody, Andy Stickel here. I have a tip for you today that is more about productivity than it is about marketing. But there's some days when you just have to get a lot of stuff accomplished in a short amount of time. And I have a secret that I use always whenever I need to get a lot done in a short amount of time. I have a combination of a few different things that I use, and I want to show you what those are. And I want you to try this and tell me if it works for you, because for me it works. I get more accomplished in a day when I do this than sometimes when in a whole week. So here's what you do. So basically the key for me is just blocking everything out. Now I know that's difficult because there's distractions everywhere. So I want to show you what I actually do when I need to get things done. So let me switch over. Actually, okay, first thing I have is a pair of noise-canceling headphones. Now, these are Bose noise-canceling headphones. These are probably way more money than you have to spend. I like buying toys, so I have Bose. But if you check out my screen here, let me switch over. You can get a pair like this. I actually used to have these. These are Cowan E7 noise-canceling headphones. Bluetooth headphones, hook up to your computer. $59. These things work perfect, and trust me, it's well worth the $59. Now, my second secret weapon is my Spotify account, but I don't sit here and listen to music because I'm the type of person I can't multitask. What I do with Spotify, what I found on Spotify, is they have a section where you can play white noise, which is awesome. So basically what you do is you log into Spotify, and you have to have the premium account, which is like $10 a month, because otherwise you get commercials and that kind of screws you up. But on the left here, you click Browse, and then you click, where is it? Click Browse, and then Genres and Moods. And then you come down to Focus. And now they have in here white noise. So now you click on that. And now the one that I use right here is cabin sound, because some of these are weird. Some like 2K. Some of these actually hurt my ears. But if you do cabin sound, it sounds like you're on an airplane. And then you hit repeat and make sure there's a 1 there. And basically what happens is you throw on noise-canceling headphones. You have a sound that sounds like you're on an airplane. It doesn't hurt your ears. And actually, if you want to take it even one more step further, there's one more secret button on your iPhone, on your phone. Let's see if you can see this. So basically, airplane mode. That way you don't get text messages either. So basically, this is my secret combination. If you need to get stuff done and you got stuff in your office that's distracting you, or stuff at home, I work from home. Sometimes my kids are going crazy and screaming and yelling and I cannot concentrate. I throw this on, I completely forget they're there. They could burn the house down, I wouldn't even know it. So, try this out. Let me know how it works for you. I'm always looking for more productivity tips. So if you have any productivity tips, let me know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.